Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a really quick video for some beauty tips to stay mentally beautiful during quarantine. I know a lot of people are home right now, and that doesn't mean you can't pamper yourself. This is my second week of quarantine, so I have written down a few things that I am doing to keep myself sane and a few practices that I'm doing to make myself a little better and habits that I'm trying to get into. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I don't do often enough are face masks. Two of my favorites are from Origins. This is the Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask, and this one is the Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. I actually used this one this morning. Now is the perfect time to pamper yourself a little extra. Along those same lines, I love a good hot bath. Doesn't have to be a bubble bath, but I will take all the bubbles, champagne, candles. Give me all the goods, please. I love Dr. Teal's Epsom salts. These are new to me. This is the Calm and Serenity with Rose Essential Oil. I normally get the matcha and green tea, but I've not been able to find those. There was like a mad rush and you can't find those anywhere. I also have the vitamin C with the citrus. That's great, but I'm really excited to try these. This is embarrassing. I have the luxury of living by myself. I know that's not the case for everybody, but it is just me and my dog. So I am able to spend hours in the bathtub. And I do this like once a week. I will take like a 2.5 hour bath and just listen to audiobooks. And I love this. And this has done wonders for my mental health. I just sit and relax with my Epsom salt. Sometimes I'll put a little lavender oil in there. And I literally just let my mind take a break. You know, I get lost in whatever audiobook or podcast or whatever that I'm listening to, and it's the best thing that I've added to my routine. I started doing this way before quarantine, and quarantine has just given me an excuse to do this more than once a week. Okay, my third tip, I don't really have a product to show you, but it's just the advice to try something new. I hear people tell me all the time, Brittany, I can't do a wink. I can't do a smoky eye. I can't do my brows. I can't do false lashes. Now is the perfect time to try those things that you feel like you can't do. But if you're stuck at home, you literally have nowhere to go. So why not try something? You're in the perfect place to take it off if you don't love it. You're not in a hurry to get out the door to work. So try it on. If you don't like it, take it off and adjust your technique a little bit and try it again. That is literally how I became a makeup artist. 2, 3, 4 times a day sometimes I would do my makeup and practice different techniques, different colors, different brushes, different combinations of products. Just everything is practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So tip 4, workout. Listen, I swear to God, I'm with you. I want to punch myself through the screen right now because I have never been one to commit to a workout. But I spent the first 4 days of coronation on the couch. And it wasn't bad, but it was, And at that time, I was only supposed to be home for 12 days. And on day 4.5-ish, I was like, I cannot do this. Like, I have to do something. And so I decided, I was like, well, tomorrow I'm going to start exercising every day, and I'm going to do it for the rest of coronation. The rest of quarantine, the rest of isolation, I'm going to exercise every single day. I started downloading like the infographics from Pinterest. You can get some great little workout routines from that. You can, and they're very like specified. You can get like booty workouts, you can get arm workouts, you can get thighs or abs or cardio or, you know, full circuit. I love a home workout, and I have always preferred home workouts to the gym, so I have a lot of equipment at home. So I've got like some free weights, I've got Zumba. That being said, workout, I cannot tell you the amount of energy that I have gotten and how much better I feel. And I have my recommended water intake by 5 o'clock. What? When's the last time you had your recommended water intake? And this is how you get your recommended water intake, okay? Take your body weight, right? Divide that in half. That's the number of ounces of water you should be drinking every day. Right? And I thought that if I could get in the habit of working out every day during quarantine, that I'd be more likely to carry that into my daily life whenever I do return to work. Because good God, hopefully this will all end soon and we'll all be back at work. Okay, so my 5th tip is kind of a DIY. I make my own coffee scrub. I save my coffee grounds from my coffee pot. I let them completely dry out. So these have been hanging out on the counter for a couple of days. They are completely dried out. Here I have a Maui Moisture Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Conditioner. It didn't do crap for my hair. I am a sucker for hair products that smell fantastic. Even if I know they're probably not going to do anything for my hair. So what I do is I take my dried coffee beans, my coffee grounds, and the conditioner that sucks, and in the shower I mix them together and I make a body scrub. Now you can use coconut oil, you can use brown sugar, that makes a great body scrub. But these I already have because I'm making coffee every morning. This I already have because it's hanging out in my shower and I'm never going to use it. It just smells good. So bam, free, right? Let me tell you why a coffee scrub is good for your skin too, okay? So the scrub part, obviously, it exfoliates dead skin. I use those a lot because I self-tan, especially this time of the year. I self-tan a lot, so I use that probably once or twice a week just to get a good even base to start my self-tan with. The coffee part itself, though, has caffeine, obviously. That's why we all love our Starbies, right? Caffeine, when it's applied topically, it increases blood flow and it reduces the appearance of cellulite because it plumps the skin. You're welcome. So I do have one last tip, and it's more of a don't. But use this time to maybe not wash your hair every day. Don't heat style your hair every day. Embrace the millennial way of life that is the messy bun and dry shampoo. Okay? Skip a day or two. Your hair will thank you, and you might notice that you're able to go more days between shampoos. I hope you enjoyed these quarantine tips. If you have any beauty tips, let me know in the comments below. What are you doing to stay sane? Talk to me. I'll talk back. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. I hit my goal last week, y'all. My goal last week was 5 new subscribers. I got 7. I am closer and closer to being able to direct link my channel and make my business cards. Please help me make that happen. I would appreciate it so much. So all you have to do to help me make that happen is hit the subscribe button, okay? Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.